If you follow me on my YouTube and things, well, not so much on my YouTube, but even here on Facebook, you know that I like to hunt down old things and keep them, repair them, sometimes sell them on. And if you recall, the back end of last year, I managed to purchase a very old Imperial Typewriter that was not in working order, that needed an extremely good clean because it had been found in an old barn, so it had years of dirt and stuff. When the people were taking this barn down or refurbishing the barn, they came across this typewriter and it was caked in years of dirt and dust and grime, and everything had dried up and seized up in it. So I took on this typewriter as a personal project, and I didn't think, I got to a point after taking the entire thing apart and rebuilding it and cleaning everything down, I got to the point where I thought, well, I'm going to have to give up. Well, here's how far that project has come. So first of all, I'm going to show you some images of then, and then some images of now. Enjoy. If you recall, earlier this year, I purchased a very old typewriter, and after months of tweaking, polishing, getting it back to normal, trying to get it working, this is the end result. So as you can see, it's working, all keys are working, the space bar, the carriage return's working, the roller's working. The ink just needs replacing because it's been sitting for years, and the little bell to warn you of your carriage return is working too. So I had done most of the work, but it was thanks to my son Joe, who was able to just do a couple little tweaks to get the ribbon to lift whilst the key was hitting it against the platen. So, thanks for your help, son.
No problem.